Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to create a landing page with Canva Website Builder. So here I am in my Canva homepage, and if you want to create the landing page from scratch, you can just click website right here, and then it will automatically create a blank website for you. And then what we can also do is that we can choose from different website templates. So to do that, you can go right here to templates, and then you can go ahead and click website from here, and then it will show different templates that you can use for your landing page. If you want some more specific templates, you can go ahead and search them right here. So for example, let's search product landing page, and then as you can see, we now have different templates right here. So if you want to use the templates right here, you can just click on them, and as you can observe, there is also a crown icon from some of the templates. So that means that in order to use that template, you need to have a Canva Pro account. But if not, you can also just use the other templates right here that doesn't have the crown icon, so that you can use them for free. So for example, let's choose this one, and then we can click customize this template, and then you can go ahead and edit this template right here. If you are creating a landing page from scratch, so for example, let's open the other website that we have. You can also go to design, and then you can also search templates from here. So for example, let's search for landing page, and then we can choose a template from here, and then you can choose if you want to add some specific sections right here. And then from here, you can now go ahead and edit and design your landing page to however you want. So landing pages are usually used as like a home page, or maybe like a marketing page. Maybe you are announcing a product, or you are selling a product. You can use landing pages so that you can use that landing page to engage with more customers. So for example, the landing page that I want to create is like an announcement for a new product. So what I can do is that I can search for different templates right here. So let's say product landing page, and then I can go ahead and use specific templates that I want to use. So for example, if I don't need this template, I can just click on it, and then from the icons right here, I can just delete that section. And then for example, I want to add another template, I can add this one. And then for example, I'll create a landing page for a new product right here. So let's say a laptop. What I can do is that I can delete this, and then I can create another section, and then let's use this template right here. So from here, let's edit the elements. So I'll say like announcement, and then I'll say like new. Let's say let's create a product right here. Let's name the laptop iLaptop 3. And then for example, this is like a announcement for a new laptop. Then you can go ahead and edit the elements right here. We can change the font size like this, and then let's use the Canva AI to create an engaging tagline. So for example, like this, then we can use Canva AI right here to automatically create as a tagline right here. And then you can choose from the different choices right here. So for example, I'll choose this. And as you can see, it automatically changed the text right here. And then let's adjust it like this. And then let's close this. And then what we can do is that, for example, you have a website link for your laptop product right here. What you can do is that you can insert the link right here. So for example, I will select this text, click the three dots, go to link, and then you can go ahead and enter your product link right here. So for example, I'll say that this product is in Amazon.com. So if you have the more specific link, you can just enter the other information right here in the URL, but I'll just use the default Amazon.com website. So now our text right here will now become a button. And then, for example, if I click preview, and then if I click the button right here, as you can see, it will automatically lead me to Amazon.com. And then if you don't want the underline right here, we can remove this by just clicking the underline button right here at the top. And then that's it. So for example, you can also change the background right here. If you don't want the background, you can have choices right here, like different colors, different gradient colors like this. Or you can also have some photos for your background. So for example, let's go to elements. Then let's try again. Right here. So I think there's a problem. So let me just reload this. And then from here, we can see some more photos. So we can search for photos right here. Let's say laptop. And then you can choose different photos from here. So for example, I'll choose this one. Then as you can see, it automatically changed our photo or image from here. And then what we can also do is that we can move the graphics right here. So as you can see, we have some graphics. You can go ahead and move them however you want in your landing page right here, so that you can have a more aesthetic design. So you can also search for things like that right here in elements. So I'll say like waves right here. And then go to graphics. And then you can choose different choices from here. So for example, this one. Then I will adjust this. For example, right here. Let's adjust it like this, kind of like an additional background to our text right here. And then it doesn't really look good, so let me find another design from here. So for example, this one, this can be like a corner design. So we can add it right here. And then let's scroll down. And then you can also include right here your contact information for people to contact you. So for example, let's say, let's have a link for a YouTube. What we can do is that you can just insert a text right here, and then you can just enter the link. But what we can also do is that we can go to elements, And then we can find the YouTube logo right here. Let's go to graphics, and then you can choose a design that you want to use. For example, this YouTube logo with a circle like this, and then you can assign a link to this photo. Then let's say www.youtube.com, and then let's also add a Facebook logo. So for example, this one, and we can add it right here. And let's adjust the size, and then we can change the color using this. Then you can add your Facebook profile right here that you can use, but I'll just use the default facebook.com. And then when we click on preview, it should lead us to YouTube right here. And then for Facebook, it leads us to Facebook. And then let's close. And then what you can also do is that you can embed videos right here in your landing page. So for example, I will open a YouTube video from here. So this is just a stock video. And then what I can do is that I can copy the link, and then let's go back to our landing page website. Then I can go ahead and add another section. Then I can paste the YouTube video from here. So now we have this YouTube video embedded in our landing page, and we can adjust its location right here. So let's set it right here at the middle, and then let's say that this is the product showcase. Let's say product showcase right here. Let's change the color like that, and then let's use some other font styles. Then we can add some letter spacing right here. Then you can also add some text effects. So for example, we can add an outline, splice, lift, shadow, glitch effect, echo, and then neon. And then you can also curve the text if you want. So I will just add a neon effect right here. And then now we have our product showcase section. Then you can have the video right here. Then if we click on preview, you will see this right here. And then the video is playable in your website. And then let's go back. Then from here, just be creative as possible so that you can create your own landing page. And then you can design it to however you prefer. And then next, what we can also do is that we can add animations. So there are two types of animations. You can have individual animations to your elements right here. So for example, we can click effects. And then as we did earlier, we can add effects to our elements right here. But to add animations, we can go to animate, and then we can see a lot of different animations from here. So this is useful if you want to make your website more aesthetic and pleasing to your visitors. And then there are two types of animations. You have the element animations. So right now, since this is a text, it shows text right here. But if I click on the image, as you can see, it will now show photo. And then you can also add animations right here for your image. And then another type of animation is that you have the page animation right here. So from here, it will animate the whole page for you so that you don't need to put a different animation for each element. So you can use page animations if you just want everything to have the same animation right here. But since this is a website, so what happens is that it only applies this page animation to this whole section. So for example, if you want to have an animation for this section as well, you can click on it and then you can go ahead and add some animations in here as well. So this is per section. So this animation right here applies per section, not for the whole page. And then once you're done with everything, you can just click publish, and then Canva should let you create your own domain right here. And then you can just edit it using the edit button. And then you can go ahead and put whatever you want right here. So for example, let's put announcement I laptop 3. And then click publish. And then that is it. So we can view the website. And then now we have created our landing page using Canva. So we have this. You can click the learn more button right here. We have our video. And then we have the contact section along with clickable buttons right here for social media. And then that is it. That is how we can create a landing page using the Canva website builder. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.